Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video, I will show step by step how you can live stream on YouTube. I'm going to use live streaming software OBS Studio. As you can see, I have it installed already and is running. If you have any question about OBS Studio, how to download and install for free, or how you can fix if you have any other issue like black screen here is not recording your screen, then I will leave a link in description. You can follow those steps and fix it. Now for live streaming setup, first we are going to on our YouTube channel where you want to go live, and I have a choose my channel. On your YouTube channel, you will see right hand corner on top there's option like a camera icon. If you click on camera icon, you will find couple options here: upload a video and go live. Probably you have a create post or something, but we will be clicking on go live. Once you click on go live, it will take you to the next page. I have already live before, so it doesn't show me any option, but probably in your case it's gonna show you two options. You want to go live right now or later, you can choose accordingly, and it will ask you want to go live with your webcam or streaming software. And if you are going to live stream with your streaming software, then we are going to click streaming software and you will be navigate to this page. At this page we have to make a couple settings. As you can see, I have a title, category, privacy and other settings. First thing, we are going to edit our category title stuff. Once you click on edit, it will ask you your video title. I have a live stream test, I will leave it same, and how you want to upload as a private, unlisted, public. You can do either way. I can do unlisted because I don't want to list because it's just a test video. Then you can have a description. You can have a description according to your content and what kind of video is comedy, entertainment, news and politics. I'm going to use education. Here is your video thumbnails. When people gonna see your video at YouTube as a thumbnail, it's gonna show that video. If you have a video special thumbnail you made already, you just click on plus button, choose the photo, and it will show here. Then the YouTube policy: this video is made for kids, not made for kids, is restrictions if you have it. If not, you set, just click on save. We have saved already. Then there's a couple of more options. You want to unlist live replay once stream ends, you can choose whatever here. And streaming latency, I will keep on a low. You can also do on a normal if you have a best internet speed, but in my case I will leave it low. And all we have a set already. Once you have a video already streaming, you can go to analytics. You can see how many people watching. You can see streaming health if you have any issue. But now we done stream settings. Here we have to copy streaming key. As you can see, I have all stars. If you want to see your streaming key, you can click on this icon and will show your streaming key, but I will just simply copy here. Once you click copy, it shows you here our streaming key is copied already. Now we have to go back our streaming software. As we talked already, I'm going to use OBS Studio, and OBS Studio we will go to settings. Once you click on setting, left hand corner on the top, first option is general, next option is streaming. I have a live streaming key already from different channel. I deleted. Now we are going to click and paste the streaming key. We have a copy, we're gonna paste here and we will click OK. Once you click on OK, you already set up. As you can see, my OBS Studio will capture my screen. If you want to make any adjustment, you want to set anything, you can do now. Once you're ready, just simply we're gonna click on start streaming. You click on start streaming. It will be a little bit delay on your YouTube channel. We will go back on our live stream YouTube channel where we have a live stream. As you can see, it says excellent connection. That means our video is going to be live streamed perfectly. If you have any issue like poor connection or something, you can fix it. but in my case we already live streaming. I am already live streaming as a unlisted. If you are running as a public, you can go to any other YouTube channel. Your video, your live streaming video will be showing on your YouTube channel, and they will show you duration, how long, how many viewers, everything. So basically that's all you have to do. You can live stream as an hour, 2 hour according to your video. Once you're done, you simply click here end stream, and your video will be end to stream. Click on end, and this page our video is already end, but it asking you another option. If you want to upload on your channel permanently, not as a live, like after people can watch, you can also edit in studio, or you can dismiss. If you think you have to edit your video, you made a mistake, or you have to add something, you can edit in studio. Will take you in a YouTube studio editor. Otherwise you can say dismiss. We done. We can close our YouTube channel, and we can also go to our OBS studio, stop streaming. And now we have done our live streaming. I believe that's all for today. That's the way you can live stream on your YouTube channel using your streaming software. Same way you can also live stream using your camera, but this video was only for live streaming your display. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the new topic.